Ta-da!
Armando, it's time for more Paulo.
Yay!
Let's just stop the music for now.
Right now.
Okay.
Okay.
So now that you have learned the logic behind Paulo and managed to generate reports from Paulo using PasteView, it's time to learn more about some other important functions in the JDocs menu. So today we are going to talk about paste elements and paste data functions. Let's start with paste elements. For example, Armando here wants to know the entire product hierarchy and a list of all call centers or GL accounts. So we can use paste elements function. As an example, let's take a look at the dimension product. But first of all, let's select the correct database. That's always a good start, Todd.
Yeah, sure.
So we will choose sales reporting database. Can you please then go to the product dimension?
Sure.
And let's find new FK-GAN hierarchy. Cool. Can you please expand it? That's right. Okay, so elements can be displayed as a tree structure, as appearing on the screen now, or a list. The small button right here, yep, enables the switch between hierarchical view and list view.
Question. What are the difference between these two views?
Good question. So let's just go back to the hierarchical view first.
I know it's a good question.
Yeah, let's just find the new FK-GAN hierarchy again.
Here.
Yeah, expand it. Let's say use medical device as an example, if you expand it again. So the hierarchical view, as the name suggests, shows visually the hierarchical structures of the elements that you've created. So we have now expanded medical devices, and it's very obvious for the users to see that under this category there are IV technology, IV application devices, etc., etc. So now let's take a look in the list view. First, let's tick Show All Selection Tools, and then let's find Medical Devices. Okay, now you can see Medical Devices has been highlighted.
Right.
Yeah, so although it's been highlighted and selected, you cannot see what is actually inside of this product group. And I believe this one came here by accident. So that's how it should be. So this sign right here actually suggests it's a consolidated element, as opposed to the sign right here, 1, 2, 3. It suggests it's a base element. Please just remember the difference now, and later on we will brush up on more details of what we can do in the list view. One thing to point out though, when using the search and select function, we need to remember that the element tree needs to be expanded completely for this function to work.
Okay. I can generate a list of these using PasteView as well. So why do I bother to learn paste elements?
That's a good question. A lot of people actually asking me why using paste element when you can use PasteView. So the major difference is that paste elements are usually used to produce list type of information, so the result of it does not contain any value or formulas. Therefore, it's very fast and straightforward and doesn't contain any risk of user errors. It's a very simple and useful tool for providing referencing information.
I already knew that, so just double checking.
Alright, Armando, whatever you say. So here, at the bottom of the screen, there are a few selection options. I will not go through all these here. However, you are encouraged to read the detailed instructions starting from page 22 in the Powell manual. As our product and GL account hierarchy can be quite extensive, knowing various methods of selection can actually make your life really easy going forward. Alright, this concludes our short and sweet session for today.
Yay!
Don't forget to check out the exercise prepared to sharpen your knowledge and skills.
Amigos, buena suerte y hasta la próxima.
So if you are wondering what Amanda just said, it is...
Friends, good luck and see you next time.
See you next time!
Bye.